Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if your Temu app is not working. So if the Temu app is not working, don't worry. Issues like the app crashing, failing to load, getting stuck on the logo, or showing network errors are usually easy to fix. So here's how. So first is to restart the Temu app. So swipe up from the bottom, then swipe up on the Temu app to close it, then launch it again. If you're using Android, you can open recent apps, then swipe away the Temu app to close it, and then reopen the app and then see if that solves the problem. Next is to restart your device. So a simple restart can fix temporary software issues affecting the app. So you can turn your phone off and wait about 30 seconds, then turn it back on and open Temu and see if that works. Next is to check for a Temu app update. So you can open App Store or Play Store, then search for Temu, then open it, then tap Update if it's available. Then make sure you're using the latest version. Then once updated, open Temu and see if that solves the problem. Next is to check for system updates. So an outdated operating system can cause compatibility problems. So you can go to your phone settings, then go to General, then go to Software Update and install any available updates and restart your device. If you're using Android, you can open Settings, then go to System, then go to Software Update. So install any available updates and restart your device after that. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.